Hello, Sarah from One-Eyed Cat Online Marketing here with the next item in our Google Ads checklist for e-commerce. We're on item number 16 today, which asks whether you have ad rotation set to do not optimize. So the default setting in any campaign is for Google to automatically optimize ads for the ones that well, I guess get the best click-through rate usually. Now, the problem with letting Google decide which is the better ad and just and going with it is that they usually make the decision too soon, and then the ad that they think is best just gets all the traffic, and then the other ad doesn't get a chance, and it makes it very difficult to accurately test the performance of your ads, because it's not just about the click-through rate, it's about how well the ads convert. You might have an ad that doesn't get quite as good a click-through rate as another one, but it gets a much better conversion rate. So in that situation, Google would pick the one with the higher click-through rate, but it gets less conversions. So if in order to properly test ads and make sure that you've got the best ads running and that you're writing new ads that are going to be even better again, you need to make sure that your ad rotation setting is set to do not optimize. So let's jump in quickly to the interface and I'll show you where to go to check on that. So you just go, it's in the campaign settings. So inside the campaign, just go to settings over here, and these are the main settings. Now you won't see it here, you have to click the additional settings button down here, and there we have ad rotation. So as I say, the default will be optimize, prefer best performing ads, and you want to change that to do not optimize, which basically should basically split the traffic evenly between your 2, 3, 4 ads, how many ads you've got in your ad group, so that you over time can see which one is performing better, and then pause the loser, create a new ad to try and beat the winner on a long-term, ongoing basis. So that's the setting that we need to make sure we have for our ad rotation. You also obviously need to make sure that you do go in and actively test and measure your ads as well to make sure you've always got the best ones running. But that's today's checklist item. So don't forget to comment below if you have any questions. You can also download the checklist below the video as well, and subscribe to the channel to get updated and to learn about new videos as I post them. And I look forward to speaking to you again tomorrow. Take care now. Bye.